What's the meaning of coeducation? Coeducation. Coeducation.
Coeducation. Coeducation. Coeducation refers to a system of education in which both boys and girls attend the same institution and receive the same education. The result of coeducation can be positive as it enables students to learn and interact with people of the opposite sex, which can help develop better communication skills and build mutual respect and understanding between genders. Additionally, coeducation can promote gender equality by providing equal opportunities for both male and female students to learn and succeed. However, some argue that coeducation may distract students from their studies and lead to social or behavioral problems.